All India Cooperative Bank Employees Federation.
AICPF! 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 Inqilab! Inqilab!
Habakren hakajelang President ke All India Bank Employees Association ulong ba hakajing sisa ki Cooperative Bank ki dei bantrai lai loi khnang bakin la sisa bana ji sakri ki pakatam kum ki bank hakate gejelang bala penlong da kamegelia Cooperative Apex Bank Employee Union unagar ulong ru ba kajingdon ki betuklar haru komtrekam kapen ko ya kajing sakri ke jongki Shushu ulong ru baki Cooperative Bank ki dei bank nakabenta uduk usuk bat kadon ru kabenta kabakrau banirap ikinong rep Henry ka sarkar pat kamle e ban pen klan ki Cooperative kabolong kadau ba bakisem jinge nolong ta ulong ru ba kate kejelang hasilong kanlong kum makrsiu yek babuan ban pen klan pat ki Cooperative Bank nakabenta ban penjanai ka jing sakri uduk usuk bat kinong rep.
This Shillong meeting will go a long way in organizing the Cooperative Bank Employees Movement under the banner of AICBEF and AIBA in all these states. And you are meeting at this historic occasion, and contribution of all of you will contribute to strengthen the movement. Means movement is our, union is our strength, and if we have a powerful union, strong union, militant union, united union, it not only helps the employees but also the institutions. AIBA, it fights for the cause of the employees, for the issues of the employees, and simultaneously it also fights to save the banking industry, for banks also. Government has issued circular, Reserve Bank has issued circular that they should be paid minimum 5,000 rupees per month. But that too is not being paid by the intermediaries. So such horrible situation is there. And simultaneously, government is privatizing the public sector undertakings or public sector functioning. Even government functioning is privatized. Even police forces they are not recruiting the permanent people in the states. Rather, they are recruiting the volunteer forces on a daily basis. So whole scenario is changing. And there is no attempt by the government to check this slowdown.
Will the sea is